Okay, so today we have an ego weed eater, and I'm going to show you how to restring your ego weed eater today. This is a super simple process, so don't be intimidated by it. We're going to pull out about 16, 17 feet of string, cut it, and we're just going to run it straight through the hole until it comes out to the other side. Once it comes out to the other side, we're just going to pull them even. So it's like 8 and 8, 8 feet side on one side, see where I pull, and 8 feet on the other side. And it's pretty simple. And from there, we're just going to twist our cap back the way the arrows say. And then you'll notice the string will start going into the weed eater. And from there, we're done. Like, it's just that simple. It's less than a minute. I love this thing. It's super easy to use. It's super efficient. It has a ton of power. And, thanks. Like, comment, and subscribe if you learned anything. And if not, comment and let me know what else you'd like to learn.